everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can get your API key on your Google AI Studio. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening your browser, now go to the search bar and start typing aistudio.google.com. After typing that, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Google AI Studio. And in here now make sure that you are logged in. Here you can see I'm currently logged into my account. And now in here you can see the option of get API key. Simply just click on this button. And in here now you will be able to see the option of create API key. Simply click on this button. And then you can see this pop up. Now in here you can see there is the option of searching for your Google Cloud projects. So simply just search the project that you want to get the API key of. I'm simply just going to get the key of this Gemini API like this. And here you can see the option of create API key in existing project. Click on it. And now here you can see generation of your API key has begun. And now here you can see this is the API key of your project. You can simply just click on this option copy in order to copy this on your clipboard like this. Here you can see your API key has been successfully copied. Now you can use this however you desire. And that is it. That is how you can get API keys on your Google AI Studio. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.